found some birds. Let's see what's under them. Hopefully it's reds. Haven't caught reds under the birds yet this year. Might be trout, ain't no telling. Birds are staying up kind of high. Fishing this new sweet tea that Eager Baits came out with. Looks just like the shrimp in the lake this time of year. They usually have a brown hue to them, pinkish brown. Let's see. Oh, had a bump. Oh, it's definitely reds. Definitely reds. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Nothing like reds under the birds. Take it easy on this guy. Got that double rig, only got a 20-pound test leader. Only got a 20-pound test leader. Look at him. Look at that copper beauty. Oh. Oh, I had two of them on there. One broke off the other side. Goodness gracious. I had them on that double rig because I wasn't sure what species. Come on, baby. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. Beautiful red. Come on. You stop doing that death spiral. I can. There we go. All right. There he is. Beautiful Lake Ponchartrain redfish. All right, I'm out here in the lake catching these beautiful redfish under the birds. Y'all know what to do. Heck, y'all help me out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna get back to it and see how many of these beautiful fish I catch today. Should have been here freaking an hour ago. Should have been here an hour ago. Would have had all the fish I wanted. It's all right. When they move, you put the cork out, you usually hook up. Must be some freaking trout out here. That's the third bite yet to get a hookup. Maybe both species are out here. That cork done went down 3 times. He's looking like a rookie. Pay attention to it this time. Not the best way to fish the birds, but when the fish are scattered, it'll definitely produce. Connected that time. Definitely connected that time. That's what it is too. All frecklefish, so they're mixed. You got trout and reds both out here under these birds. Oh, snakefish. Not huge by any means, but oh yeah, oh red daddy, oh red dog. It's not the best rod to be fighting him on, but oh well. Keep pressure on him. Make quick work of him. Another bull. Beautiful bull. Come on, baby. I'll let you go. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful red. Come on, stop with the rolling. Come on. Cut that out. Let you go. All right. That voodoo shrimp. Right there in the throat. Drumming. You could hear the drumming. Beautiful fish. Back he goes. fish don't want to stay up, so throw that cork back out there. That Versamax making noise. Oh, that was a hit right there. It's amazing. Amazing that they will track that noise down and find that bait in this open water. Probably should lengthen that leader. Is he swimming with it? Oh, I missed him. He took it down. There he is again. Old freckle fish. Yeah, old freckle fish. Ate that sweet tea. You like sweet tea, my boy? Youngster. Looks kind of small. Oh, makes the cut though. Uh-oh. Oh, that one broke the surface right there. I saw it. Oh, hooked up. Hooked up. Yes, indeed. See if I could double up right quick. No double up for me. This fish will let me know where the school is, because I just let him run. The school is way back there. Yeah, let me stop being greedy and go and get this bad boy in. Yeah, let me stop being greedy. Mess around and lose this one. Yeah, look, he stayed with the school. You see him coming back up. Tried to get the double up, couldn't do it. I'll take the single. I'm not mad at him. Holiday bulls, baby. Holiday bulls. Nothing like a holiday bird bite. Which way is he swimming? Go against him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, show yourself. There you are. Thank you. Yes, indeed. piss and vinegar. Come on. They're back up on the surface. Birds don't lie. Hey. Yeah, they're good. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful Lake Ponchartrain redfish. Lay there, blue crab right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, wedge tail, oh! Let him get off. There he is. Sooner or later one would eat that cork. Speaking their language, baby. Speaking their language. And they're on the move. Cork will call them. Yes, indeed. Smaller fish, much smaller than the ones I had earlier. It's all right. Still pretty. Pretty nonetheless. Dang beauty. Yes, it is. Look at that. Oh, that's a beautiful sight. Copper, copper. Copper color. That sweet tea wedge tail hanging out of his mouth. Open your mouth for me, baby. Got you on the wrong side. You ain't cooperating. Yeah, well, it's okay. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful Lake Ponchartrain redfish. Well, that's a wrap for today. I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, tight lines.